msebenzi qina. Qina msebenzi qina. Manda. Awethu.
Commander Monique, MK Labor Desk sila eTshwane sizo addressa ama drivers aka Lowes Group. Head office yakhona ise Pretoria. It's a white company. La abasebenzi abamnyama bagqilazeke ngendlela esingakaze sicabange uma siyothenga ama furnitures ukuthi laba bantu abawalethile lama furniture bagqilazekile. Number 1, bafike basebenza umsebenzi wokuba o driver, baphinde bazosebenza umsebenzi wokuba ama enforcement, baphinde bazosebenza umsebenzi wokuba ama cleaner phansi, babuye bakline phansi ekubeni bengo driver. Now ke today sithe ake size la bese sizo expose lento ethi we will never tolerate into ye exploitation, unfair labor practice, unfair dismissal, because now into abafowethu abakhuluma ngayo bathi they are humiliated every day by the managers, by the white supremacy. So what we are saying today, we are saying a head officer, a Pretoria, we want a very urgent appointment ezokwenza ukuthi sikwazi ukuhlala ne-management and discuss the matter, because we will go out and revolutionize the matter and make sure ukuthi abantu bakithi they get justice. Laba bantu khona bano 12 years but they are still earning 5,000 rand. There are unfair deductions akhona aqhubekayo, abantu abagaini into abayisebenzile. So what we are saying here today, we are saying enough is enough. That's why we are here, guys. Akenitshena abantu kwenzakalani. And mind you, wonke ama province anenkinga efanayo. Hayi ukuthi it's a certain shop enenkinga, but all provinces, 9 provinces anenkinga efanayo where people are being exploited in the workplace. So as
Lewes Group workers, we are in a dire situation. Hence we outsourced MK to help us in terms of what we can do in this that we are facing. Number 1, we seek complaint in terms of helping us to solve the situation that we are facing day to day. It is a problem that is generating some worry. We have not been able to solve without bringing to your notice. We hope you will help us to solve the situation. We have raised this matter informally with the company itself and the union, but we have not been satisfied with the outcome. We are very upset about this, as we have served the company with pride. The key points that we have, a minimum wage. We are not happy because we are paid less, not according to our job description. They are ignoring our overtime payment laws, the concerned dispute relating to payment and benefits, and then the misrepresentation of workers. We do things according to their rules, not according to our contracts. Misclassification of employees, workplace discrimination. We're feeling unhappy due to the bullying and other factors. We are working as debtors collectors while we are not. We're going door to door collecting cash to customers, which is not our job description. Wrongful termination of contracts and ignoring our cases that are not because we do not have evidence. Harassment in the company is so big that no one is solving it. As we call for help, we are calling for help due to all of us, Lewes Group. It might be Best, it might be Lewes, it might be Best Home Electric, it might be Best Zone. We are all in the same dire situation. So we are seeking help and we are tired of this, and we are treated as fools, we are treated as black people who doesn't have mentality or reasoning capacity. So we are tired of this. Hence we are asking you to help us to fight these things because we are tired of this. and we have seen that no one is helping us. Even the union itself is not coming on board. So we have tried. This is the only door that we are seeking help from, and we hope that going forward we'll get the help what we want.
School sam awubatshela ngicela nje awu-address wona ngesizulu ithini lento ngizwile ukuthi uthi nikorobha phansi nikhokhela nezinto ekuthiwa ziwile ngephutha nama-scratches awuyilande awuyixoxe
hayi ikona khona lokho nje ukuthi hayi ezinye zezinto esibuye sibhekane nazo nganjengoba yena umfowethu ayichaza into leyo ukuthi according to our understanding izinto like ezise-shop zazuthi like zi-insured. I can't would like maybe ngizobhadala into ongukuthi like ngiyise mistake hayi by purpose. Yeah, I understand that into leyo. Ezinye zezinto vele like most of the time izinto ezifana nalezi just like ngithi njengama what do we call this thing bathi ama-ATM. Ama-ATM mina ngifila ngazo futhi awuthi ngifila the way ngiwabone ngakhona like izinto like ezi-against ama-contracts wethu. Ama-contracts wethu thina mina eyami i-contract ngathi mangiyisayina yayingitshela u-8 to 5. Only to find out i-ATM yona izovela seyizokutshela ngendaba zokuthi no we have to work ama-flexi hours yonke le nyaka you have to work ama-overtimes ama-overtime ngama-Sunday minwayela angabhadali. I-overtime mina on Sunday or nge-holiday i-overtime I do believe ukuthi like ibhadala double but here like it's only babhadala for a single day. Kwesinye isikhathi banokubuye bakutshela ukuthi no ama-overtime wa last month or last of last month asikhoni ukuwabona esystemini. Meanwhile like nikwazile ukuthi nisebenze wonke umuntu bangakutshela ukuthi namhlanje maybe usebenze kungabi ne-problem. Makumele kufike i-pay date i-payroll makumele erun babuye bakutshela ukuthi like no amalanga wakho asiwaboni or babuye babuze ukuthi ubani konje bekasebenza on that day ngelanga elikanje nakanje. Only to find out imoto yabo uma ungayipaka late asikho isidingo sokuthi babuze ukuthi ubani umuntu bekasebenzisa imoto baya straight ku-system. I-system yabo njanje bona bayisebenzisa only to find out makumele kudonswe imali from someone else. We understand. And another thing, when it comes to indaba yama-payslip like asikho happy nje ngayo at all. I-payslip iza kuyi-A4 nje elimhlophe. Each and everyone like uyakhona ukuthi ayibone. That thing is private and confidential. Leyanto leya i-private and confidential masiyibonwe nguwe nomunye umuntu like ayisekho private that thing. Each and everyone o-entitled ukuthi like angangena esistemini uyakwazi ukuthi ayibone.
Kwethu in a summary just talk it through so that people will understand.
Drivers ka tšhelete ne re gopela at least MK labor desk e thušie ba kgone go bolela le bona gore re lla ka tšhelete ya bone ke nnyane ga kgone ka dira selo.
Kwethu kwakhuluma nge-SACAWU iyanisiza le union.
Next akuna next bona right through basingakuyibo sibafonela abasispondi next and bayadonsa imali yethu siyasebenzela kanzima everything bantu bona bayayithatha nje abaqeda bayasihlalela akuno-meeting abasi-attend amashop abafuna ukuza umtila zethu and then si-imelela ama-HR wethu ama-HR wethu nabo abasenzi next abasicontacta basenzeli next basitshele ukuthi sisebenza kanjani sisebenza kanzima.
No, thank you so much guys. Wonke ama-province we want one per branch. Sibe nomhlangano, make a group, sibe nomhlangano so that we can discuss this. Each and every province ayikwazi ukuregister kule case. Amandla. That's all.